Thank you for your interest in Engineered Products Standard and Parking Garage LED luminaires. Engineered Products companies EPCO LED luminaires provide unparalleled performance, improved efficacy, more usable lumens per watt, and is the reliable, sustainable solid-state illumination and lighting solution. The primary benefits of our vapor-tight LED luminaires is that they provide energy efficiency, significant energy savings, and improved thermal dissipation that translates into optimized light output suitable for operating indoor, outdoor, and wet locations. These luminaires consume less than half the output wattage of a 4-foot luminaire using two 32-watt T8 fluorescent lamps and have a minimum life expectancy of 50,000 hours. Retrofit kits are available in 4-foot and 8-foot lengths to update older fluorescent luminaires. EPCO's LED luminaires include 4 energy-saving illumination products: a complete standard luminaire that is ready for immediate installation, a standard luminaire retrofit kit to upgrade an older luminaire using T8 fluorescent lamps. The standard luminaire retrofit kit is available to convert conventional 4-foot and 8-foot luminaires. A complete parking garage luminaire that's ready for immediate installation, and a parking garage retrofit kit to upgrade an older conventional luminaire using T8 fluorescent lamps. This retrofit kit is available in a 4-foot length only and is not DLC listed. All parking garages and parking canopies have an unobstructed headroom clearance of not less than 7 feet above the finished floor to any ceiling, beam, or pipe height. EPCO's parking garage luminaire incorporates 2 rows of LEDs and reflectors that magnify lumen output intensity and distribute the light outward as an enhanced controlled beam. This specific LED luminaire application complies with the requirements of the Design Lights Consortium, DLC, and this LED luminaire includes a frosted polycarbonate diffuser to mitigate any glare to the finished floor while providing a color rendering index of 82 and above. EPCO's standard LED luminaire series is the preferred choice for lighting spaces that require illumination from a distance of 12 feet or above. They are superior in quality, distribute light effectively, provide a crisp illumination without glare, are specification grade, provide visual comfort for commercial and industrial buildings, and are very cost competitive. These LED luminaires also include a frosted polycarbonate diffuser and provide a color rendering index of 80 and above. The standard and parking garage LED luminaires are ETL listed and suitable for indoor, outdoor, and wet locations. Prescriptive or custom rebates may be available from your local electric utility or co-op to reduce the overall installed cost. In addition, this LED luminaire and the retrofit kit complies with the majority of the U.S. utility rebate requirements. Installation of the standard or parking garage retrofit kit is a very simple procedure and is exactly the same process. At this time, we will focus on upgrading an older conventional luminaire currently using T8 fluorescent lamps to a standard LED luminaire using our retrofit kit. Before beginning installation of the standard LED luminaire series retrofit kit, locate the circuit breaker at the main panel and turn it off. Begin by releasing the latches on the luminaire housing. Then remove and set aside the clear acrylic ribbed diffuser. Remove the fluorescent lamps and set them aside. Next, access the wiring compartment by simultaneously squeezing the metal clips on each end of the gear tray that secure it to the luminaire housing. Then carefully rotate the gear tray backward to expose the luminaire wiring and ballast. Make sure the gear tray's nylon safety straps are tethered to the retainer clips so the gear tray will hang suspended below the luminaire housing. Locate the incoming black and white power supply lines and separate them from the black and white lines of the luminaire disconnect. Also remove the ground bonding wire from the green grounding lug on the underside of the gear tray. After the incoming supply and luminaire wires have been completely separated, hold the gear tray with one hand. Then use the other hand to unlatch the nylon straps from the gear tray retainer clips. Then separate the gear tray from the luminaire housing and set it aside. Remove the retrofit kit and all packaging materials from its shipping carton and place it on a work surface. Set aside the new frosted ribbed diffuser. Note that the retrofit kit has an LED driver instead of ballast. The LED driver includes hot and neutral wires for the incoming supply conductors, plus additional wires that can be used when installing a dimming control. The retrofit kit gear tray also includes new nylon safety straps to replace the original straps that may be brittle and may have suffered from UV damage. Before attaching the gear tray to the luminaire housing, make sure the teed end of the safety straps is attached to the gear tray. Attach the round end of the nylon safety strap to the hook on the retainer clip. The new gear tray will now be able to hang safely from the luminaire housing. Connect the incoming black and white power supply lines to the luminaire disconnect on the driver. Also connect the incoming ground wire to the green wire on the LED driver and ground bonding pigtail on the underside of the gear tray. The retrofit kit's gear tray can now be attached to the luminaire housing. Position the gear tray flat against the fixture housing and make sure the wires do not get pinched between the gear tray and the luminaire housing. Push it down and over the metal retainer clips until they snap into place. Install the new frosted ribbed diffuser over the gear tray and secure with the latches from the luminaire housing. This completes the installation for the standard LED luminaire retrofit kit. For more information, call Engineered Products Company at 800-336-1976. Email us at sales@engproducts.com or visit our website, engproducts.com.